Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS4150i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to set this printer up for the first time. We're going to install the ink and also load the paper. So once you unbox the printer, you take the power cable, go to the back of the printer, connect it to this port. And plug the cable to the power. Then select this button to switch the printer on from this button. I see the light is on. Now lift up the ink access door. An ink cartridge holder is now positioned. Then open the cover. So the colored one goes to the left, the black goes to the right. So we're going to install the ink cartridges. So take the color ink. So take the ink, then go into the colored one. Then bring this down. Then take the black, remove the plastic. Then you go in. Then bring the holder, the cover down. Then go backwards movement, lift the door up and close it. Then showing us now A4 paper. So for us to load paper, we need to open the casket. So this is A4. So bring this all the way and extend it. So load the paper, then adjust it. So this is A4. Then if you want to load photo paper, you need to make sure the smooth part need to face down. If you want to load photo paper, so you need to make sure if you're loading photo paper, you take the photo paper, the smooth part need to face down, then you adjust the paper. So this is how to load 4x6 photo paper. Smooth part face down, the rough part face up for you to print photo. But you want to load A4, so adjust this all the way. Then you load the paper as A4. So if you load different type of paper, then you press this to select the paper. It will change. So what you have here now is A4 paper. Then select OK to confirm the paper. This is how to install the ink cartridges and also load the paper.